Hello class 7. In our last computer class, we started chapter 4, Ethics and Safety Measures in Computing. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to discuss disadvantages of internet. Let us recapitulate what we have done in our last class. In our last class, we have discussed about what is the internet. The internet is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the standard transmission control protocol, short form is TCP, or Internet Protocol IP, to serve billions of users worldwide. And it is also called a network of networks. And we discuss about the social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, and Skype allows audio and video communication over the internet. So this we have discussed in our last computer class. Then we have also discussed about the advantages of internet. Internet can be used for searching any information through various search engines like Google, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. The messages can be sent and received through email on internet. We can send a message and receive the message through email on the internet. It plays a significant role in research and development work. It allows video conversation with the relatives or friends through Skype or Facebook. We can have the video conversation. We can talk face to face. It promotes 24/7 online shopping. 24 means all the 24 hours at any time you can do, and all the 7 days. That is called e-shopping. It keeps a track of share and stock marketing. The share marketing can be done. Online banking can be used to purchase railway or flight or movie tickets, also can be done by using the internet. Now in today's class, we are going to discuss some disadvantages of internet. See, internet is playing a significant role in today's digital world. It also has some disadvantages. Now let us discuss some disadvantages of internet. First, hacking of personal profile or account has become a latest threat. So that we have the hackers. Okay, they are IT professional only. They can hack our profile or account and can do the wrong thing. Some mischievous people always look for hacking and misusing others' account. We have some mischievous people, they can hack and misuse the others' account, email account or Facebook account. Chances of getting trapped into fraud advertisements. We get a lot of attractive advertisement in the internet. Okay, sometimes you are trapped and we lose the money. Okay, so should not be trapped by the fraud advertisement. Users get easily addicted to the internet and hinders their other activities. They leave their other activities and full time they are busy in the internet, WhatsApp and Facebook only. So it is called internet addiction. So should not be addicted to the internet. A lot of cyber crimes are committed by using the internet. A lot of cyber crimes. Stealing the money, hacking the other's account. Chances of attacking or spreading viruses through unknown mail or unwanted sites in the system. Using the spams, using the email, they can send the virus programs to our computer, and as you open the email, the virus becomes activate. So these are the different disadvantages of internet. Hacking a personal profile or account has become a latest threat. Chances of getting trapped into fraud advertisements. Users get easily addicted to the internet that hinders their other activities. A lot of cyber crimes are committed by using internet, and chances of attacking or spreading viruses through unknown mail or unwanted sites in the system. Now next topic is what is the ethics. With the advancement of information technology, the world is witnessing a vast change. Day by day, it is changing. Like see, from last 1 year, we are under the COVID. Our school is under the lockdown, and we are not having regular class. But all the education system, all the teaching is taking place using the internet only. Okay, we are using the YouTube, WhatsApp, and Zoom classes. So we can use information as a powerful tool. We can use this information as a powerful tool. As technologies give us wonderful ideas, powers, inventions, discoveries, we also come across many ethical dilemmas. While enjoying the fruits of information technology, we have the many options. We should ensure that the information is not misused or technology is not used to the disadvantage of the society and people at the large. We should not use the internet to harm the society, to harm the other people. Okay? So here comes the ethics. So what is ethics? Ethics is a set of moral principles that govern the behavior of a group or individual. It is a set of moral principles that govern the behavior or a group or individual. However, computer ethics regulate the use of computers. Some common issues of computer ethics include intellectual property rights, like copyrighted electronic content. So when you develop some software, it is under our name and others should not copy and use it. Privacy concerns and how computers affect the society. So this is the ethics. Okay. Now it is essential to follow certain ethical values. Some of the ethical values are given below to make good relations with the people concerned, that will create a healthy environment on the internet. Okay, what is that? While accessing internet, always work in the healthy environment so that the objective is fulfilled. Have a healthy environment while using the internet. Do not copy or use proprietary software for which you have not paid. See, one person buys a software, gets the license, others just copy and use in their system. It is wrong. If you have not paid for the software, you should not use that software. You purchase the software. Okay. Never try to detect an error of a computer system or to correct it even if a problem comes across at the time of working. When the working time any error comes, do not try to correct. Do not try to steal the secret information of any other computer. Using a pen drive and other things, should not steal the information of others' computer. You must protect your document or confidential document by using password and note it in a diary in case you forget it. You keep all your important document, confidential document under the password and write the password in a diary, in a secret diary, so others will not see. If you do not write the password, you may forget it. If you are working on internet, you should not browse any unwanted websites or open any type of mails of others by any means. While working on the internet, browsing the internet, you should not browse any unwanted websites about which you do not know. Okay. So till now in this chapter we have finished what is the internet, what are the advantages of internet and what are the ethics. So please learn all these topics. Thank you.